What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here today. We're back again today with another great amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about a great and amazing kind of mobile phone which I saw it online. It captured me through a different perspective and I decided to share with you guys, and we'll continue doing some testing through this phone. Now, enough of me talking, let me share with you guys what's that phone. Yeah guys, there we have it. So this phone, or this packaging, what we have inside, it's a great and amazing device from Duoqin. Now I hope I'm spelling it right, Duoqin, and it's a really nice amazing device. I'm gonna unbox it first, we're gonna see it, and we're gonna check it out how it is, and later on we're gonna toss in a lot of apps and experience how this device is gonna be. Let us just get started. So as some of you guys can see in here, we're getting a screen protector for the device, which I'm gonna keep it aside first. Another kind of stuff, you're getting earphones which they're USB Type-C, which it's really convenient throughout here. So yeah, another kind of stuff, you're getting a power brick, which it's really great thing. So this is just a minimal power brick, and yeah, it's really dope thing. Last but not least, this is our device, guys. I hope you can see it. So this is how it looks like at the back through the description, and it's really dope thing. So we're gonna just unbox this device and see what's packed inside, man. I really love this device. I don't know, but I really like it. It's a really top notch. There we go, guys. Let's go. Ooh, that's cool. Wow, just look at it. Just look at the device. Just see it, guys. Just look at this phone. Whoa, that's dope. So what we have inside, first of all, we're getting this kind of pin. It's a SIM card ejector pin, which is great. And another kind of stuff, you're getting a USB Type-C cable, which it's really amazing for charging your phone. So you're gonna use this kind of brick if you get this phone. So it's really amazing to be having this kind of device, and this is the power brick. Another kind of stuff, you're getting a paperwork throughout here, which it's really convenient. So guys, this is our device, as you can see, which it's really great. It comes with a case here, which is a silicone case, and you're gonna remove the silicone case. So as you can feel the device, man, it feels really great throughout here. You can see throughout here there is a camera, which it's a front-facing camera, which it's quite vibrant. So guys, as you can see, this is our device. Now I decreased the brightness a bit so as you can see. Now throughout dropping down through the notification, we can go to the settings side to see what's going on. You can even use the button just normally, which it's really great thing about this phone. It runs Android 12, which it's great. So you can see I can just use touch, and it's just responsive, to be honest, throughout this device. So this device runs Android 12. It uses the Google Play Store, so you can swipe this side. I was swiping up, so this side you can see Play Store, which is really amazing about this device. Not only that, now when you go to the front facing camera, I just want to show you guys what's going on through the camera side. So this is the back camera. So when we go to the front facing camera, you can see us in here, which it's really amazing. We can even take a picture, and it's just great. So it uses this kind of camera in here to use the front facing camera, which I think it's a really good spot for that, which is perfect. Right now we're going to talk about the specification of Duoqin F22 Pro. Well, this kind of phone comes with a 4GB of RAM and a 64GB of storage. The display side, it has a 3.5-inch display, which is 960 x 640p. Let's talk about the camera side. Well, it has a rear camera with 8 megapixel of camera and a front camera of 2 megapixel of camera. When it comes to picture side, it's really vibrant, and on the coloring, it's really great. When it comes to the brightness side, or we can call it daylight, it's performing really well.
So we are testing the camera of Duoqin, and today we are heading to a manga ride, as some of you guys can see, and we're having Zara today in the house. That's Zara. She's a little bit shy on the camera, but there she goes. You got Bashiri there? Yep, man. Yeah. So as some of you guys heard, we are cruising, man. We are cruising.
Talking about the battery type, it has 2150 mAh of battery, which is really amazing. When it comes to the features of the setting side, well, it has Wi-Fi, it has Bluetooth 5.0, it has a GPS built in, and it has a VoLTE, and it has an infrared remote control, and it's having a vibration and a great and amazing, I can say, decent speaker from it.
Hey, I miss it. Now I'm using the Canon R6 and I've evolved in my career.
The flashlight sensor, it's really great, and it has a distance sensor, which you can say it's a light sensor, which it's really amazing. On this kind of phone, it's really packed with bunch of features. The most kind of interesting feature, which is really amazing, is all about the network. The network has 4G, 3G, and even 2G. It's really amazing. On the phone side, it's really coming in handy, and it's a little bit compact, I can say, and you can toss in some gaming side and play some gaming and enjoy throughout the phone. It comes with the two variety of colors, which is white and gray classic, which we have here. It's a gray classic color, which is really amazing. The F22 Pro gives you no lag, runs very fast and smoothly. 8-core MTK Helio G85 chip. It's a really nice and amazing throughout this device. Another kind of stuff which I experienced through this phone is all about the Play Store. Sometimes it crashes, but when you open it back, it just comes back to life and you continue downloading the apps. It's really amazing through this kind of device. What it has and its capability are just endless. So guys, this it's a really amazing device from Duoqin, or we can call it from Xiaomi. So Duoqin is like a Xiaomi company, which it's really great. So this kind of mobile device, which is a smartphone and a button at the same time, it comes really at handy, and it's just a phone to go, because if you just don't want to carry your bigger phone, you can just have this side phone and slap it with your SIM card, and it has all those kind of features you really need. It has GPS built in, it has bunch of features which, to be honest, this phone, you'll just be saying I'm replacing it with my smartphone. Not big time, but you're gonna just have a look at it and say, dang, I really need this. It's a really kind of amazing device, to be honest. I love it, and I saw it for the first time. I was like, dang, this is a dope phone. And to be honest, if Nokia could make a move with this kind of device, to be honest, their comeback, it would be amazing, because we all know how Nokia it is. They came through button phones since back in the days, and it's really amazing for their devices if they could just come up with this stuff, which is just like this, and it's a Nokia device. I'll be honest, it would be selling a lot. But since then, they didn't want to do it. Well, other people, they are doing it. So this is amazing device. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this device, so as we can get things clear. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and a lot of you guys are not subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you're subscribed to your homeboy here, support your homeboy. I really appreciate on that. And last but not least, guys, I'll be seeing you guys on the next tech video, because it will be amazing to use this device and experience how it is. So yeah, another kind of stuff before we end out this video, there is a case for Iron Man, which is ridiculously great. It just pumped me, and I was like, damn, I need this case. When I get this phone, I need a case. I need a good case, actually. And this is from Marvel. So it's an Iron Man case, as you can see at the back. It's really dope. Keep the device inside, and yeah, it's just amazing. You're gonna see it. Look at this bad boy. Just look at the bad boy. Look at it, man. Come on, this is a really top-notch device. I can say it's a really good one, and yeah.